More clothes in the dryer? Doing no right to tell me you ever had feelings for me.
What?
I was doing great with Julie before I found out about you.
Hey, I was doing great before I found out about you. You think it's easy for me to see you with Julie?
Well, the point is, I don't need this right now. Okay? It's too late. I'm with somebody else. I'm happy. This ship has sailed.
All right, fine. You go ahead and you do that, all right, Ron?